we are very open. We welcome investments from all over the world. So Japanese companies are very free to compete in some of these projects. Okay. Regarding trade and investment, generally I want to say that we, as a matter of policy, really want to increase our trade and also attract more direct foreign investment in the country. You know, we are moving away from aid dependency because aid, as you know, has been pumped into these economies for a long time without much results to show for it. In some other cases, this aid money came to Africa by one hand and went away through another hand. All that is left are just debts in a paper. So you are just showing debts which are owed to other donor countries, but there's nothing on the ground that you can see that the money actually developed. So there are no infrastructures, no even institutions that were left through this. So the people are just settled with debts. Now we are moving away from aid dependency to more trade and investments. So we are asking for market access to goods which are produced in our countries here. Because we cannot trade if it is just one-way traffic. If you are just buying from Japan, Japan is buying nothing from us. Where do we get the money to buy from Japan if Japan does not want to buy from us? So it must be give and take. Kenya buys from Japan, Japan also buys from Kenya. See, that is how it can exist. Okay? And the other one is the question of investments. Because we are making the ground level for investors. One, we are dealing with the issue of infrastructure, where the government is investing very heavily in infrastructure development. Roads, and as we move around, we will see a lot of road construction work going on in the country. Two, energy, power generation. We want to double our installed capacity by 2013 and even to increase more. And we want to go green. We have actually declared that we want to be green by 2017. And here, number one is geothermal, number two is hydro, number three is wind, number four is solar, number five is biofuels. Now, we are also, apart from infrastructure, we are also dealing with what we call bureaucratic red tape to reduce the time and the cost of doing business in the country.